me hearty, I be Slimebeard, the terror of the seven seas. Scary sea monsters shake when they see me. I be living the wild pirate life with me oil bubble gum. Arr, this here map leads me to secret gold, jewels and diamonds. Arr, arr, arr.
Wow, my great-great-great-great-uncle Slimebeard was so cool! I want to be like him so much!
Hi, Sammy. This looks interesting. What's it about?
Sue, I want to be a pirate. Please, can I come into your ship? I've even got a parrot. His name is Trevor.
I don't think so. But I do have a great idea. Follow me.
Come on, Trevor!
Okay, Sammy, we won't be sailing the high seas, but we can surely make you a nice pirate arcade game.
I'm not sure, Sue. It looks just like a piece of cardboard.
Why, I'm just getting started. You'll be living the pirate life soon. The seven seas will be a slime's domain. I need this to be super sticky. It needs to be pirate-proof. Oh, that is perfect. Looks nice and sturdy. What are you doing over there, Sammy, huh?
I'm trying to learn a new language, Sue. Pirate language!
Sounds interesting. So, how is it going?
Arr, shiver me timbers! I'm a natural. I'll be fluent in no time.
Whoa, I'm impressed. It's like I'm talking to a real pirate. And the frame is almost done. A little bit more and we'll get on with the exciting part.
Oh, tell me more, Sue. Does it involve a swashbuckling adventure?
It sure does.
Awesome!
Can you guess what we're making this time, Sam?
Oh, this is tough. Can you give me a clue?
Well, it's something that goes off with a boom.
No way. It can't be. Is it a cannon?
That's right. You got it, Captain Sam. Every good pirate needs one. Bet you'll be the greatest slime pirate ever.
Hey, did you hear that, Trevor? We need to celebrate popsicles all around.
Save one for me, Sammy. All this crafting is hungry work. Do you know pirates call this thing helm?
Bad news, Sue. We're all out of popsicles.
Oh my, I wonder why. Never mind, I can still use this. Hey, didn't those popsicles belong to Roger?
Susan, I'm a pirate. This is what I do. Also, don't tell Roger it was me.
My lips are sealed. Your secret's safe with me. This is looking good.
Avast! Is that the best you got? Arr! Arr! Arr!
Is everything okay, Sam?
It's all under control. I got Trevor just what I want him.
Well, if you say so. But it looks like Trevor is winning. While Sam's still dealing with that tricky situation, I'll continue with the cannon.
Sue, quick question. Can pirates swim?
I'm not sure, but I imagine it would have been useful since they were often at sea. Why are you asking?
Not important. Wish me luck.
Sam, what are you? Oh, shiver me cheddars, just be safe, okay? Friends, remember to always put extra care when using the glue gun. And this stick goes right here.
Don't you worry, Susie. I'm okay. I needed a bath anyway. Now I smell good.
Well, that's convenient. Now you're a fresh-smelling pirate. This is going to be our cannon mount. It'll help Sam target any ship his Captain Eye sees.
I don't see any ships. I see a pretty awesome craft. Super cool stuff.
Thanks, Sammy. I love it when you're excited about a craft.
What's not to be excited about? Be a pirate and hang out with my best buddy. Cool.
Aw, that's sweet. I feel the same.
I was talking about Trevor. Word.
You'd better look in the mirror, Sammy. Trevor has pranked you.
Huh? Trevor? Oh, you freaky bird. Get back here.
Every swashbuckling pirate needs a ship to sail in. And Sammy's no different. This ship will be the finest in the fleet. Oh, I can't wait until Sam sees it. But I need it to be perfect for a slime pirate. It's all about the small details. And... hop, voila! Here comes Sammy.
Oh, steady, easy. Whoa, drop anchor!
Hello, what you doing with the skateboard?
I'm trying to learn how to sail. It's not as easy as it looks. Away!
Sorry to disappoint you, Sam, but skateboards are made for ramps, not waves. Should I call you Captain Skateboard now?
Ha ha ha. Very funny, Sue. Just leave the comedy to me, please.
I guess I'll stick to the crafting then. How's your practice going anyway?
Out of the way! This thing moves fast. Help!
Oh, my feta, Sammy, just get the real sailing lesson.
Oh, you're right, Susie. I gotta lay down.
Crew members are important parts of a pirate ship. We're gonna install them. This stick will make sure the crew stays stable. There. For now, it's one lonely-looking pirate, so let's make him some friends. And now they're ready to board the ship. Ahoy! These will be the targets for a pirate arcade game. Look, it can fall and stand up again.
Sue, I'm trying to assemble my crew. So far, it's you, Trevor, and Roger.
Oh, wow, I didn't expect that. So who's your first mate here?
Well, there's only one name, and it's so obvious. Trevor, of course.
Oh, right. I was hoping for a promotion. Never mind. I'll be happy to be your shipmate, Sammy. Next, we'll need a skull and crossbones for our ship. Wait, I remember it was right here.
Sorry, Sue. I needed it for some entertainment.
Sammy, what do you mean?
Hey, Trevor. Wow!
Oh, that was handy. Thanks, Sam. That's some pretty convincing skull and crossbones. We got the flag and a mast too. And this'll be the crow's nest.
Sue, Trevor is a parrot, not a crow.
No, it's just a name. Trevor can use it anytime. Let's add the sails to the ship. Here we go. There. I love it. But he needs to pass the Captain Sam test. So what do you think?
Shiver me timbers. It's amazing. Woohoo!
Now it's time to decorate our game. Oh, it's gonna be a perfect day for sailing. Blue skies and white fluffy clouds. Doesn't get better than this.
You're absolutely right, Sue. We're working on our tans.
Just remember to use a sunscreen. You don't want to overdo your tanning.
I think I know what we're doing, Sue. Thank you so much.
Okay, but don't say I didn't warn you. Whoosh! Sammy, do you smell something burning?
Hey, it smells like fried chicken. Wait, Trevor! Trevor! No! Huh? Oh, nice one, Trevor. You got me there.
Ah, cheeky Trevor. He fooled you, huh? And snap! Wow, I feel like I'm on an aquatic adventure. All the fish are here. Next is we glue it to the arcade. Now I hope the ship is watertight. I don't want it to sink. Last piece of the water creatures and the ship crew goes here. Don't forget the skull and bones flag, the true pirate identity. This goes up here. We need somewhere for the cannonballs to go. And what is that you've got there, Sammy?
Whoa, Sue, I found a treasure map. We hit the jackpot, ding!
Wow, what a cool discovery. It's your lucky day. It's your first day as a pirate and you've already found a treasure map.
I need to find out where the treasure is. Could it be somewhere here? Oh.
I'm sure you'll figure it out, Sam. Don't give up.
Don't you worry, Sue. We're gonna be rich beyond our wildest dreams.
That's the pirate spirit. Go, Sammy. It works just like I planned. I feel like I'm forgetting something, though. Of course, I got it. We need the cannon. And it can go right here. But I'm still missing something, right? Here we go. This is more like it. We've got our cannonballs. They go into the storage.
I know where the treasure is, Sue.
Oh, Sam, I've got one more surprise for you.
Whoa, it's unbelievable, Sue. I feel like a true pirate.
Wow, I never knew Sam's family was so interesting.
Sue! Sue! I found the treasure!
Let's have a look. Whoa, I've never seen so many gold coins in my life.
Oh, it's even better. It's chocolate coins.
Oh, now I see.
And I'm sharing it with my bestie, with you, Sue.
Aw, thanks, Sammy. And to be honest, spending time with you is the real treasure. See you around, everyone.
See you next time, me hearties.